Good day mga kabengweng, welcome to Mr. Johan Pabi. So test fire natin itong unit natin na Army Armament 4.3 Limcat style battle cut. Ayan, so color black, then may available din po nito na color purple. Ayan. Ayan, so test fire po natin. So may bibisan gas na po yan, 0.23 gram. Ayan, so outer valve, sabihin may gas na po yan, matigas po yung outer valve nya. Ayan, so test fire po natin. Passing magazine, clicking sound, kasa, release. Always use your finger out, toy only, test fire. Okay, so nag-slide lock na po siya, ibig sabihin wala na po siyang bibis or bala. Release natin yung magazine. Okay, release natin yung slide. Okay, press the trigger, then hammer down. Okay, Army Armament Limcat Battle Cut 4.3 color black. Thank you.